Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to replace the coils in an 07 Mazda 6 sedan with a 2.3 liter. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Open the hood. The hood release is right here by the driver's knee kick panel, and just pull on it. Safety lock is in the center. I'm just going to put my finger in there and turn it towards the driver's seat. Lift her up. Then you have the hood prop, and the indicators with the arrow. And you just put the hood prop right in. Grab the engine cover, just pull up quickly on it. And it's got 2 mounts there and 2 clips there. You've got 4 coils, 4-cylinder, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to disconnect the electrical connectors at each one by pushing down on the tab and pulling. There's an 8mm socket to remove the coil mounting bolts. And then we have 2 of the plastic covers that go for the cover, engine cover. I'm just going to take a pair of pliers and spin that off. I'm going to line these up so that I know that they go to cylinder 2 and 4 in case I come back later and forget. I like to line my coils up in the sequence I took them off. So you take the mounting bolt out, give it a little twist and pull. Cylinder 2. Now that one is one that had one of the plastic mounts, so just put it with it. 3. Last 4. So to replace the coils, we're just going to put the new one in, and then put the mounting bolt on. I'll tighten them all at the same time. Get our next one. Do the same. Now it's strongly recommended to always replace all coils at the same time. If you think about it, it's like a light bulb, right? These are electronic, runs with electricity running through it in a sense. And if one is gone, the other ones are on their way because it goes by hours in time. That's an 8mm socket. We're going to snug them all down. That's an 8mm socket. We'll snug them all down. Now we'll reconnect each coil. Make sure that that clicks down. That's the last thing you want to be doing is go down the road and have that slide out. It'll be a massive misfire. And let's not forget the 2 mounting adapters for the engine cover. They go on cylinder 2 and 4. I'm just going to use a pair of pliers to snug them down. Now I'll put the engine cover on. Ready to go down the road.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.